Hello friends, I'm Monica. Welcome to Fun Gardening. Today's video is about care of Mogra plant. Mogra belongs to jasmine family. All plants of jasmine family they produce fragrant flowers. Mogra flowers are very fragrant and they fill your garden with a sweet fragrance, and it's a very common plant and found almost in all home gardens. Very common plant, and flowers are very fragrant, and you can pluck the flowers and keep the flowers in a bowl on center table to make your room smell good. A Mogra plant, if you are growing it in ground, it can be grown in any kind of soil. But when we grow it in a container, soil should be very well drained and drainage hole of the pot should be good. To make a very well drained soil mixture, which is best for this plant, mix 1 part of garden soil, 1 part of river sand, and 1 part of organic manure, maybe cow dung manure or vermicompost or a mixture of these two. Add 2 or 3 handful of neem cake powder and a teaspoon of fungicide powder, which will protect your plant from any fungal infection or root rot. Mogra plant requires at least 4 to 5 hours of sunlight for good blooming, and for good growth give NPK 19-19-19. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of NPK 19-19-19 in 1 liter of water, and give that fertilizer to your plant every 15 to 20 days. It is a perennial plant, but its flowering season is summer season. During winter your plant goes into dormancy, and during winter season, when plant is in dormancy state, don't give fertilizer to your plant. If you want to give once in a month. Otherwise, if you fertilize your plant during dormancy, if you fertilize your plant every 10 days or 12 days, plant is not going to use those fertilizers because of dormancy. All its physiological activities are stopped, so it will result in the salt formation in the salt, and ultimately your plant will die due to the salt deposition in the soil. So don't fertilize your plant during winters. Give once in a month liquid fertilizer if you want to give, otherwise not necessary. As it flowers in summer season, in the beginning of February, prune your plant nicely to make your plant bushy, and after pruning give good amount of cow dung manure or vermicompost, 300 to 400 grams per 12-inch pot. And if your plant is in ground, you can give up to 500 grams of manure, at least 1 to 2 inch away from the main stem. So after giving manure, give water your plant and keep the soil moist. Don't overwater. Soil should not be soggy, otherwise that will cause root rot. And during summer season, if you want abundant flowers in your plant, every 10 days give DAP and potash. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of DAP and 1 teaspoon of potash powder in 1 liter of water, and give that water to your plant every 10 days to get abundant flowers. And during monsoon season, mogra flowers very nicely, abundantly. And during monsoon, foliar application of the liquid fertilizer which you have made using DAP and potash, you can spray that liquid fertilizer on leaves also, because during monsoon in monsoon season, the leaves are clean and their pores, stomatas are open, and when you give foliar application of fertilizer, leaves directly absorb the nutrition, and your plant responds quickly to that fertilizer. And its propagation is also very easy during monsoon season. Take 5 to 6 inch long cuttings. Cutting should have 4 to 5 nodes, and grow that cutting in soil. I have a video on how to grow mogra plant by cutting. So during monsoon grow, you can get so many plants from your mother plant during monsoon season. So friends, this was all about the care of mogra plant. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, bye.